Hey there! Are you tired of posting silent videos on Instagram? Want to add some tunes to your posts? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will show you how to add music to your Instagram posts. It's a fairly easy process, but if you are struggling with it, don't worry. We've got you covered. First things first, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated your app, open it up and head to your Instagram section. If you want to make an actual post with music, click on the Post button. Next, select the photo or video that you want to post. If you want to apply a filter, you can do that too. Once you're done, click Next. You will then come across a page that displays your new posts. Here, you will see an option to add music. Click on the Add Music toggle to proceed. A new page will appear with a search bar at the top. You can search for any song that you want to add to your post. Once you have found the song, click on it. You will then see the option to choose the part of the song that you want to add to your post. Here's the fun part, you can slide the song along and select the part that you want to add. You can also choose the duration of the song that you want to add. This feature is very helpful, especially if you only want a specific part of the song in your post. Once you're done selecting the part of the song that you want to add, click on Done. Your selected song will now be added to your post. You can adjust the volume of the song by using the slider on the left side of the screen. Finally, when you're happy with your post, click on the Share button to publish it. Congratulations! You have now successfully added music to your Instagram post.